Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. For today's video, I'm gonna be testing out a viral foundation technique that I saw on TikTok. Literally, this video has like over 15 million views and her skin looks so flawless. But before I jump into that actual testing out technique, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everyone who commented and watched my last video and reached out through the comments, even through my DMs and on Instagram, that is, and just wish me all the best. And so many of you were very open in the comments about your own experience, about people that you know who have endometriosis, and I was really overwhelmed by the response. I was so surprised that people were just so open and ready to talk about it. So yeah, that was a really great thing, and y'all got me, I don't want to say excited if that's the word, but I feel very welcome to talk about my endometriosis journey. So look out for that in the future. But you guys are amazing. I love you all so much. But let's jump straight into today's video. So the TikTok creator is Brynne Marie. I actually follow her. She's very talented and just amazing at makeup, and I will leave her TikTok handle as well as the full video of this viral foundation technique linked down below, so make sure you guys go watch the entire thing, because I don't feel comfortable posting the video like on here because copyright purposes, of course, but I'll try to include like little snippets, like pictures or something of how she actually did it, but I will walk you through each step according to like how she did it. So I am really excited to start. So the first thing she did was use a moisturizer, and she used like Lubriderm, but I don't think they are cruelty free, so I'm just gonna use my trusted Embryolisse Lait crème concentre. Yeah girl, we fancy. You can get it on Amazon, by the way. It's really cheap. Well, it's like 20 something US dollars. It's not cheap anymore. I don't know, I might ramble a lot in this video, I'm not sure. But anyway, speaking of things not being cheap, I just feel like everything has on the increase, so I'm like being really careful with how I'm spending. Anyway, next she goes in with rosehip seed oil. Now she does say that she has hormonal acne and oily skin, so this is gonna be interesting. I mean, I don't mind the oil because I have normal skin, so anything to add glow and hydration to my face under makeup, give me. Oh yeah, and by the way, we can't ignore this makeup look. Like, I'm very much into the pastel season, okay? So I was just playing around. I didn't even record this. Like, I just wanted to sit and just really play around with eyeshadow because I haven't done that in a while. And I find myself playing with my P. Louise bases lately because why not? They just pack up there. And then she went in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, just like on where she has like prominent pores. Why can't I speak? What's wrong with me? So she put it here. I'm looking at the video as I'm doing it. So it seemed to be just these 3 spots. She didn't show how she rubbed it in, but I'm assuming it's just these areas. Okay, honestly, I feel like the e.l.f. Putty Primer just glide on way better with this rosehip oil. It looks so good. And it feels really nice too. I love the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, but sometimes it could like take a while to blend into the skin. This was so easy with the oil. Now is where it starts to get a little crazy and where we might have to trust the process. She went in with the Huda Beauty Nymph highlighter. This is that cream compact highlighter, but she used shade Aphrodite. I don't have that shade. I have Juno, which is like better suited for my skin tone. And she basically took this up on a brush and yeah, applied it. Oh my god, oh lord, we really had to trust this process. Basically, she applied this all over her entire face. You better pray for me because I really don't know about this one. If I were a tin man, this is how I would want to look, honestly. Bronze goddess. Also, it is currently after 12 a.m. And this is what I'm doing. I couldn't sleep, so I was just like, you know what, do makeup, bitch. Here we do. Then she went in with some color corrector. She used peach, but I am brown with very dark circles, so I'm gonna use orange, just a very little bit. So I want some around my mouth. Why not? She did blend out the corrector using her fingers, but child, I'm not trying to dig out my eyes, so I'm gonna use a brush. I can't tell you the last time I color correct. Like, it's probably been years. It's insane. This thing probably expired for sure. Oh lord. Hopefully my eye don't swell up. Now onto the foundation. She used the NYX Total Control drops with the Dimmer Blend drops. I don't have the Dimmer Blend, so I don't even know why she mixed the two to begin with. She didn't say, but she mixed, so I wouldn't mix. I'm gonna use this Colourpop one and see what I could concoct. Maybe like a pump of the Colourpop, or half of a pump, maybe 1 or 2 drops, maybe 3 of the NYX one. Did she dot it on? Oh lord, let me see what she do. Hold on. Okay, she didn't specify. She just started to blend with a beauty blender, so let me do that too. I have this one here. I think this is from Shop Miss A. So we're just gonna blend. Oh, that is actually a cute shade match. Way to go, nuts. And this is a damp beauty sponge, by the way. I haven't blended makeup with a sponge in forever. You all know that I've been enjoying my brushes so much, so I didn't miss this sound though. Take a close-up as I'm blending. Like, you'll see how flawless this looks. Holy crap. I mean, I don't really have a lot of like texture on my skin anymore because of the skincare that I've been using. Like, it's drastically reduced, but still, this is like something. This is really pretty. Wow. Then she went in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in 4 areas. It was like right here. She used a lot here, and here, and her chin. She said the high points of her face. Feel like I applied too much there. Okay. Next, she used the Maybelline concealer as contour, but that is not cruelty free, so I'm just gonna use my Huda Beauty tantour, a very little. Let me see where she placed this. So she went here, then here, here, and here. I put that too low. Oh boy, that's okay. She added to her chin and her jaw. And then she did something I never do, which is add some to the lips to contour it. I feel like that could give me a mustache, but why not? Then she adds some to her nose, like to give you a button nose. Then she used a liquid blush. I'm using this one from SHEGLAM, and she applied it here, right there, the middle of her forehead. Love a good forehead blush, and top of her nose, like right here. I think that's it. She blends out all of this with her sponge, so she says that she blends out the dark spots first and then the lighter areas. This is already giving me stress. Oh boy. I almost forget to blend out this lip contour thing. Like, can you imagine the disaster? Ooh. I think it's doing something for sure. Now I'm gonna blend out the rest of this. It is taking some time, I will admit that, but overall it's looking really pretty, I have to admit. Then she sets her entire face lightly using the Beauty Bakerie powder. So we're not even setting the under eyes yet. We're just setting the entire face lightly with this Beauty Bakerie powder. I actually like this kind of video. I feel like it's taken me out of my comfort zone, so It's actually quite interesting. And then she went in with powder bronzer. She used Patrick Tar, but I'm gonna use Mario because I don't have Patrick Tar, so I'm using the next best thing. She followed up with a powder blush from NYX. I don't have that one, so I'm gonna use this one from Huda Beauty. After that, she drenches her face with a hydrating face mist. She basically drenched her face until it was like dripping wet. I feel like we need more. And then she let it dry properly. After her face dried, she went back in with her powder on a sponge. She tapped off the excess and went over the areas that she wanted to get rid of texture. I need to look up at this close because it's looking very smooth on camera, but let me see how this is looking in person. And she's like really pressing in those powders. Oh, I forgot to blend out my creases, damn it. Okay, y'all, I don't think I've ever seen under my eyes look this smooth. Oh my god, look how smooth my face looks. Ignore the little glitter that fell off from my eye, but look at my under eye. And that's pretty much it for her viral technique, but she did go in with some highlight after. I'm using the Jaclyn palette, and I'm just gonna place that on the usual places that we highlight. I'm feeling for a nude pink lip, so I'm using this Jordana lip liner in nude pink, and I'm gonna top that off with Jaclyn's liquid lip in Be Brave, and just add in some Jouer lip oil on top. And this is the final makeup look, y'all. I am impressed. Look at my skin. I didn't use any more setting spray after. Like, look at my face, look at my skin. It looks so smooth and airbrushed. I am truly impressed with it. It is a lot of steps, I will admit that, but I think I want to start using rosehip seed oil in my regular foundation routine because I genuinely love the way cream products applied on top of it. It was so easy to blend, but I am in shock. I will definitely do this again, maybe like on a more full glam kind of scene, but this is so pretty. I actually love the way my skin is feeling because it feels very lightweight. Because I don't know if you noticed, when we drenched the face and then we went in with the powder, it just kind of absorbed into my skin because I wasn't applying like powder over wet concealer, if that makes sense. It's so different. Under my eyes look very flawless, so I think I'm gonna start color correcting a bit more now. I'm so impressed. I am so glad I tried this technique. Let me know in the comments down below if you will be trying out this technique. As I said, it's a little bit tedious, but the end result is worth it. So let me know what you think about this viral foundation technique. And that's it for today's video. I do hope you guys liked it. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and if you are not yet already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified when I upload new videos every week. You guys make sure and take care of yourselves. I hope you all have a great week. Bye.